Hello dear traders, welcome to Insta TV News channel. I'm Anna Kasatkina here with a closer look at financial events that might move the markets today. According to the outlook of the Reserve Bank of Australia, the country's economic growth will remain below the trend for quite some time. Pessimistic sentiment prevailed in the regulator's statement. Despite a moderate increase in the number of jobs, unemployment is likely to remain near historic highs for some time, and the growth of wages is to stabilize at a low level. The pace of consumer prices growth could slow down in the nearest time because of a sharp fall in oil prices, but then the indicator will grow faster than expected, the regulator said. The Australian dollar has depreciated by 10%, and this is likely to affect product prices. In spite of a sharp decrease in the exchange rate, the central bank still believes the currency is overvalued. A decline in energy prices is said to be the reason. Expansion of the Bank of Japan's monetary stimuli creates additional risk. In light of the yen depreciation, pensions and other investment funds may become interested in Australian assets, which would lead to an undesirable strengthening of the Aussie. The Australian dollar fell to a four-year low of 0.8541 after the central bank's statement. The European session started with correction. However, the risk of further decline of the exchange rate is quite probable in case employment data from the US turns out to be strong. Investments in the mining sector of Australia continue shrinking and can deduct up to 1.5% from the country's GDP. Nevertheless, the RBA still projects economic growth in the range of 2.5–3.5% next year. In the future, growth can accelerate considerably by virtue of a steady increase in exports. In particular, the central bank is counting on the natural gas, with foreign demand continually growing. And this was daily financial news from InstaForexx. Stay tuned.